Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, January 31st. I'm Marv Eisen, and I'm wearing my gloves today because it is cold in New York. 6 degrees where I am out here on the eastern end of Long Island. At any rate, we're going to start the day, as we do every day, looking at the economic calendar to see if there are going to be any market-moving announcements. And today, Monday, January 31st, there are 3 announcements, none of which will move the market. Moving over to the morning news, flags are mixed. Futures down slightly, some up slightly. 10-year Treasury up 1.8%, so that's been rising, but that's already baked into the price the S&P prices. Looking down at the news, nothing going to be market shaking today, nor do I expect it. Moving over to the market, this is the S&P chart of Friday, and wow, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Well, this is a chart of the trading zone with numbers that I sent out to my subscribers on Thursday evening that portend where the market is likely to trade the following day. So on Thursday evening, I sent out these numbers: 42.97, 44.25, and I put a horizontal line at Thursday's close because the close of the previous day is an important number. It's a target, as are the 2 numbers in my trading zone, the support number and the resistance number of 44.25. Now, are these numbers, what do these numbers do? What do these numbers mean? And how do we read them? How do we interpret them? Because this is a chart of the market prior to the trading day, prior to the candles being printed on them. So how did the market trade on Friday? Well, I am going to show you, because I've blocked out the candles on this chart, and I'm going to now place Friday's candles on my chart and overlay my trading zone. And here we are. The market started out on Friday with prices opening up at 43.31, the middle of our trading zone, quickly closed the gap, and then went down to the support level, broke through the support slightly, but then bounced up. This is again, these support and resistance numbers are targets. Don't think of them as pure support and resistance. And remember, these are calculated numbers, and calculated numbers are just that. They are estimates based on where the market is likely to trade, based on previous days' highs, lows, and trading ranges. So this was Friday's trading zone. And as you can see, the market traded within this trading zone from the low point in the morning. Market opened at a low, and then throughout the day, traded and ended exactly at our high. So if you're interested in receiving these trading zone numbers each day, I provide them as a subscription service, and you can see them on my site at timelessdollar.com. Of course, you can calculate them yourself, and I show you how to do that in my regular Emini trading course. I highly recommend this information, because anything that you can glean to give you an indication of where the market is likely to trade on any given day is critically important information. Of course, you need to know how to interpret these numbers. It's not cut and dry. Nothing in the market and trading ever is. At any rate, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and I try to make it easy for people to trade, or at least try to make sense of trading. Not that it could make sense, but there is a rhyme and a rhythm to the way the market moves. At any rate, thanks for watching. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and I'll see you in my next video. Trade safe. Have a great day.